Welcome! Today, we're diving into how startups can choose the right customer success software. As a startup, your resources are precious and your customer relationships are everything. The right software can help you nurture those relationships, drive retention, and fuel your growth. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the best fit? In this video, we'll walk through a step-by-step checklist to help you make a smart, informed decision. Let's start by understanding what customer success software actually is and why it's so crucial for startups. Customer success software is a tool designed to help businesses proactively manage customer relationships, track engagement, and ensure customers achieve their desired outcomes. For startups, this means having a centralized platform to monitor customer health, automate onboarding, and identify opportunities for upselling or support. By leveraging such software, startups can scale their customer management efforts without overwhelming their small teams. Now that we know what it is, let's look at why it's especially important for startups. Startups operate in fast-paced environments where every customer counts. Customer success software helps you stay organized, respond quickly to issues, and build lasting relationships. It provides insights into customer behavior, highlights at-risk accounts, and streamlines communication. With limited resources, startups need tools that automate repetitive tasks and free up time for strategic work. Investing in the right software early can set the foundation for scalable growth and higher customer satisfaction. Before you start evaluating software options, it's essential to define what you want to achieve. Are you aiming to reduce churn, improve onboarding, or increase upsells? Clear goals will guide your search and help you focus on features that matter most. Gather input from your team and document your top priorities. This clarity will make the selection process much smoother and ensure you choose a tool that aligns with your startup's unique needs. Once your goals are clear, list the features your customer success software must have. Common essentials include customer health scoring, onboarding automation, integration with your CRM, and reporting dashboards. Consider your current workflow and pain points. What features would make your team's life easier? Prioritize these must-haves to create a checklist you can use when comparing different software options. Budget is always a concern for startups. Determine how much you can realistically invest in customer success software. Some tools offer free tiers or startup discounts, while others may require a significant investment. Weigh the potential return on investment against your current financial situation. Remember, the most expensive option isn't always the best fit. Focus on value and scalability. Your customer success software should work seamlessly with the tools you already use, such as your CRM, email platform, or help desk. Make a list of your current software stack and check which customer success platforms offer easy integrations. Smooth integration saves time, reduces manual work, and ensures data consistency across your organization. A powerful tool is only valuable if your team can use it effectively. Look for customer success software with an intuitive interface and straightforward onboarding. Consider requesting a demo or signing up for a free trial to test usability. The easier it is for your team to adopt the software, the faster you'll see results and the less time you'll spend on training. Your startup may be small now, but you're planning to grow. Choose software that can scale with your business. Look for flexible pricing, customizable features, and the ability to handle more customers as you expand. Scalable tools prevent the need for disruptive migrations later and support your long-term vision. Protecting customer data is non-negotiable. Ensure any software you consider meets industry security standards and compliance requirements, such as GDPR or SOC 2. Ask vendors about their security protocols, data encryption, and privacy policies. This step is crucial for building trust with your customers and avoiding costly breaches. Effective customer success relies on data-driven decisions. Evaluate the reporting and analytics capabilities of each software option. Can you easily track customer health, churn rates, and engagement metrics? Robust analytics help you identify trends, measure success, and make informed improvements to your customer success strategy. Even the best software can run into issues. Check what kind of support each vendor offers. Do they provide live chat, email, or phone support? Is there an active user, community, or knowledge base? Responsive support and a helpful community can make a big difference, especially when you're just getting started. Before making a final decision, read reviews from other startups and check out case studies. These real-world stories can reveal strengths and weaknesses you might not notice during a demo. Look for feedback on usability, customer support, and overall satisfaction. Learning from others' experiences can help you avoid common pitfalls. Most vendors offer free trials or live demos. Take advantage of these opportunities to see the software in action. Involve your team in testing key features and workflows. Pay attention to how well the tool fits your needs and whether it feels intuitive. This hands-on experience is invaluable for making a confident choice. Once you've narrowed down your options, compare the pricing plans in detail. Look beyond the monthly fee, consider setup costs, user limits, and any additional charges for premium features. Make sure you understand what's included and whether the plan can grow with your business. Transparent pricing helps you avoid surprises down the road. Every startup is unique. Check if the software allows you to customize workflows, dashboards, and notifications to fit your processes. Customization ensures the tool adapts to your business, not the other way around. The more flexible the software, the easier it will be to support your evolving needs. Automation can save your team countless hours. Look for software that automates repetitive tasks like onboarding emails, health checks, and follow-ups. Smart automation helps you deliver consistent customer experiences and frees up your team to focus on high-value activities. In today's world, your team may need to access customer data on the go. Check if the software offers a mobile app or a responsive web interface. Mobile accessibility ensures your team can stay connected and responsive, whether they're in the office or out meeting clients. A smooth onboarding process is key to getting value from your new software quickly. Check what training resources the vendor provides, such as tutorials, webinars, or documentation. Good onboarding support helps your team get up to speed and reduces frustration during the transition. A vendor's reputation can tell you a lot about their reliability and customer focus. Research the company's history, leadership, and track record. Look for awards, industry recognition, and long-term customers. A reputable vendor is more likely to provide ongoing support and product updates. Ask vendors about their product roadmap. Are they planning new features or integrations that align with your future needs? A forward-thinking vendor will be invested in continuous improvement, ensuring your software stays relevant as your startup evolves. If you have technical resources, check whether the software offers an open API and strong developer support. This allows you to build custom integrations and extend the platform's capabilities as your needs grow. Good documentation and active developer communities are a big plus. If you serve customers in different countries, check if the software supports multiple languages, currencies, and regional compliance. Internationalization features help you deliver a consistent experience to all your customers, no matter where they are. Some startups may want to brand the customer success platform as their own. If this is important to you, look for white labeling options that let you customize logos, colors, and domain names. This can enhance your brand's professionalism and customer trust. Switching to a new platform can be daunting. Ask vendors about their migration support. Do they help you import data from your old systems? Smooth migration ensures you don't lose valuable customer information and reduces downtime during the transition. Timely notifications help your team stay on top of customer needs. Check if the software offers customizable alerts for important events, such as renewals, support tickets, or health score changes. Effective notifications keep everyone informed and proactive. Customer success is a team effort. Look for collaboration features like shared notes, task assignments, and team dashboards. These tools help your team work together efficiently and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Segmenting your customers allows you to tailor your approach to different groups. Check if the software supports customer segmentation based on criteria like industry, usage, or lifecycle stage. This helps you deliver more personalized and effective support. Customer health scoring is a core feature for many customer success platforms. It helps you identify at-risk accounts and prioritize outreach. Check how the software calculates health scores and whether you can customize the criteria to fit your business model. Effective communication is key to customer success. Check if the software integrates with your email, chat, or messaging platforms. Seamless communication ensures your team can reach customers quickly and track all interactions in one place. Workflow automation streamlines your processes and reduces manual work. Check if the software allows you to automate tasks like follow-ups, renewals, or escalation procedures. Automation ensures consistency and helps your team focus on strategic activities. Collecting feedback is essential for continuous improvement. Check if the software includes tools for surveys, NPS tracking, or direct feedback collection. Easy access to customer insights helps you refine your product and support strategies. A knowledge base empowers customers to find answers on their own. Check if the software integrates with your existing knowledge base or offers built-in support for FAQs and help articles. This reduces support tickets and improves customer satisfaction. Some customer success platforms offer customer portals where clients can view their data, submit requests, or access resources. If this is important for your business, check what portal features are available and how customizable they are. If you offer service level agreements, SLAs, Check if the software helps you track and manage them. SLA management features ensure you meet your commitments and maintain high customer satisfaction. Preventing churn is a top priority for startups. Check if the software offers churn prediction tools that use data to identify customers at risk of leaving. Early warnings help you take proactive steps to retain valuable clients. Growing revenue from existing customers is key for startups. Check if the software helps you identify, upsell, and cross-sell opportunities based on customer behavior and usage patterns. These features can boost your bottom line and deepen customer relationships. Managing contracts can be complex, especially as you grow. Check if the software offers contract management features, such as renewal reminders, document storage, and e-signature support. This streamlines your workflow and reduces administrative headaches. Billing is closely tied to customer success. Check if the software integrates with your billing platform to track payments, renewals, and account status. This ensures your team has a complete view of each customer's journey. Every startup has unique reporting needs. Check if the software allows you to customize reports and dashboards to track the metrics that matter most to your business. Custom reporting helps you stay focused on your key performance indicators. Your data should always be accessible. Check if the software allows you to export your data easily in case you need to switch platforms in the future. Data portability ensures you're never locked in and can maintain control over your information. Reliable software is essential for customer success. Check uptime guarantees, performance benchmarks, and user reviews for reliability. Downtime or slow performance can hurt your reputation and frustrate your team and customers. Technology evolves quickly. Make sure the vendor regularly updates the software with new features, security patches, and improvements. Regular updates keep your platform secure and ensure you benefit from the latest innovations. After following this checklist, you should have a short list of customer success software options that fit your startup's needs. Review your findings with your team, weigh the pros and cons, and make a decision. Remember, the right software is an investment in your customers and your future growth. Choosing the right customer success software is a crucial step for any startup aiming for sustainable growth. By following this step-by-step checklist, you'll be well equipped to make an informed choice that supports your team and delights your customers. Remember, the best tool is one that fits your unique goals and grows with you. Good luck on your journey to customer success.